Hello again. Welcome back to part 3 of the R58 Xingguan Toto Teardown. In this video, I'll be dismantling both boilers, the brew boiler and also the steam boiler. I managed to look inside the steam boiler and found there are a lot of sediments and build-ups inside the boiler. So I decided to take it apart and rinse it off with water. Dismantling of the boilers is pretty simple. All you have to do is disconnect all the brass fittings and also the vacuum pressure valves right on top of the boilers. I then use a syringe and a silicone hose to clear off the excess water inside the boiler tank before dismantling the lower brass fittings. I'm shocked to see the sediment that is collected inside the boiler, and here you can see just a portion of it. I continue to remove all the brass fittings when the tank is emptied. One thing to take note of is just to remember where these fittings go, so the installation will be in reverse. I've managed to remove the boiler tank now, so I'm going to remove the brew tank. The brew boiler is much more smaller, but it's also good to clean both at the same time while we are at it. I am filling both tanks with water and letting it run through the tank a couple of times and then releasing the water inside. I'll do this for both the brew tank and also the boiler tank. You can see just how much sediment is released when I flush out all the water inside. Once I'm done cleaning, I wipe it down to dry. I also replace the O-ring on the vacuum pressure valve. Make sure to double check all the brass fittings and tighten it properly. You'll see later in the video that one of the brass fittings has a leakage issue. After everything is installed, I turn on the machine and immediately saw an issue. And we have a bit of a leakage right here. So I found one of the brass fittings wasn't tightened properly. So I tightened it and checked all the other brass fittings. So it seems that the machine is stabilized now with 95 degrees in the brew tank and 125 in the steam tank. And the pressure is maintained at this level. So we've made good progress so far, and in the next video, I'll be servicing the E61 group head. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.